It's MS Dhoni, one of the games.
Dhoni goes bang down the ground. Anything full and straight, and Dhoni whacks it. Oh, let it go all the way for four, short and wide, and Dhoni got the helicopter out.
Oh, he's found the gap. And he's found the gap well enough for four. Well, he finally went for it. And it pops out. I think he's done a remarkable job, Michael Clark, just to get there.
And he advances, hits it hard, over cover. 6 runs. Great strike from MS Dhoni. He goes again straight down the ground, so consecutive sixes to Dhoni. Brilliant batting. Ooh, that's out, is it? He's given up. A direct hit again has worked for the Australians. So MS Dhoni, the Indian captain, his innings comes to an end.